The Busy Noise Safari. Dog and cat are so excited to be going on a safari.
Wow.
What kind of animals will they see? Oh, look! There's a lion!
Say cheese.
I've always wanted to see a lion, says the cat.
Say cheese.
The lion roared. Then, to their surprise, the lion asked, "Hey, are you heading to town? I need to buy new strings for my ukulele." "Yes, after our safari. Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow.
What kind of animals are by the watering hole? "Elephants are my favorite," says the dog. "I've always wanted to see a zebra," says the cat.
Say cheese.
"Hey, can we get a lift to town?" asked the zebra. "We need to wash our beach towels at the laundromat." "Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow.
What kind of wild animals are resting in the shade? "Giraffes are my favorite," says the dog. "I've always wanted to see a hyena," says the cat.
Say cheese.
"Hey, can we get a lift into town?" says the hyena. "We need to buy new sprinkles for the cupcakes we made." "Hop in," says the driver. And off they go.
Wow.
What kind of wild animals are high up in the trees? "Monkeys are my favorite," says the dog. "I've always wanted to see a toucan," says the cat.
Say cheese.
"Hop in," says the driver. "Hey, can we get a lift to town?" asked the monkey. "We want to buy some balloons." So they all went to town and they all did their errands. And do you know what happened next? They had a pool party. They all had beach towels thanks to the zebra and elephant. They all ate cupcakes with sprinkles thanks to the hyena and the giraffe. They all enjoyed the balloons thanks to the toucan and the monkey. They all listened to music thanks to the lion. And cat and dog has the best time ever.